Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna learn about how to make $5 per minute. Yeah, you heard that right, $5 per minute. We're gonna learn how to make it. You don't need any skill, no experience. You can be a teenager, single mom, single dad, doesn't matter. You just need to have a device. Doesn't even matter if you have an Android device or iOS device, you can still earn money by all of these devices, from your laptop to your desktop. It doesn't matter. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe, because I post daily making money online videos. And like this video, give this video a thumbs up, because I'm gonna give you tricks that is not on YouTube before. And comment below right now your country that you are living in, so I can know where are you from, so I can help you. So before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into the video. So the first website we have is called Typing Tests. Typing Tests actually helps you to improve your typing skills. Like, let me show you guys. Let's choose a 5-minute test, maybe medium text, hard text, blind story typing. You can choose. So that website will help you to develop the typing skills, and I'm gonna show you the websites that will make you earn big amount of money, like $5 per minute. There's easy text, but we want to train about medium text. You will press start test here. As you can see, this green button. As you guys can see, this test will start once you start typing. It will help you to improve your typing skills to earn the great amount of money, and I'm gonna show you how. So stick around this video, don't skip through this video, because you may not know how to make $5 per minute. So once we start typing, the counter starts and it develops the skills of how to type fast. And once you finish this test, you're gonna get the results, and that's crazy. So I'm gonna tell you right now what are the websites that get you a crazy amount of money. But first you need to train on this website so you can know how to type fast, because this websites you don't need to be professional or a good texter or anything. You just need to train at first, and if you're a good texter already, and I assume that you're a good texter, you can go to the next website. It's called rev.com, sorry. So as you guys can see, transcription, you will earn $1.25 per minute, and captions and foreign subtitles, you will earn from $3 to $7 per minute. That's crazy. Like for the foreign countries, like imagine you are from a foreign country other than the United States or Europe, or any country, maybe your own country. You can translate the video, and you are gonna earn $5 per minute. I'm gonna show you something, guys. Let's say you make $5 per minute, and let's say you earn $5 times 60 minutes. You do this for 1 hour, you're gonna make $300 per hour. Imagine doing this for 2 hours. You're gonna earn $600. If you did it for 5 hours, you're gonna make $3,000. Like, imagine doing this over and over and over again. You will see crazy amount of money. So any foreign subtitles you earn, and you can, like I suggest starting with foreign subtitles for the foreign people. You can earn crazy amount of money, and you may also earn 1.5 per minute from caption, transcription, and all these things. It's trusted by 170,000 customers across all industries. It's crazy, and I suggest to start with foreign subtitles. So the next website that I'm gonna show you is transcription jobs. So this website, guys, pays you from 15 to 22 per audio hour, and top monthly earning at $200,000. That's crazy. Like, imagine doing this per hour every single day, and believe me guys, if you do it all over and over and over again, you're gonna earn crazy amount of money. Like I told you guys, they pay regular payouts, they pay you by PayPal, and that's crazy. So the website's called Transcribe Me, and I'm gonna show you a crazy trick right now. You will click on jobs to find this page. Click on jobs and you will find this page. And like I told you guys, imagine making $15 per hour. Let's go to the calculator. 15 times 3 hours, you're gonna make $45. That's the not most highest paying website. Rev is the most highest paying website. And if you're not a good texter in the beginning, the website that I told you guys about, typingtest.com, will help you to improve your writing skills. Like I told you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for daily making money online videos, and see you in the next video.